Are you ready to take your life and business to the next level? Beyond Common is about bridging the gap between humanity, the human touch factor, and innovation in technology combined with self-care. When all of these come together, we get massive trust, first within ourselves, then we receive it back from others. Change is happening whether we embrace it or not. Self-care leads to self-trust, which equals self-confidence, which leads you to being trustworthy to others in a world filled with fear. Starting with the element of self-care is where you need to be now. My wish from my heart is that each and every one of you are absolutely successful and you achieve not just the business of your dreams, but the life of your dreams.
Tracy is a ray of sunshine. She radiates and brings light into the room. She absolutely lights up from the inside out. She is taking you beyond common in your business. All of that stuff that is necessary to truly be successful in your business.
Tracy is a natural born leader who shows up consistently helping others. It's her sense of humor and personality, and it comes through in a way that it makes you feel like, okay, it's time to step up, show up, and be the best version of yourself.
You are worthy of it all. Becoming Beyond Common is about inviting your whole self to the party.